can't call me, man, that's me. Why you stand on the wall, hand on your ball, lighting up drugs, always fighting in the club. I'm the reason they made the dress code. They figure out what
I'm sipping on Tanqueray with my mind on my money and my mouth full of Dante. R-A-T to the motherfucking E. Back with my nigga X and double O-P.
Yeah, make it on style.
Raging the bit that just begun to rock.
I said, yeah, make it on quick.
Hey, yo, Rage with your bass drop some gangsta shit.
I rock rough and stuff with my afro puffs. Handcuffed as I bust out to tear shit up. Oh, what did you think I did never think I would be the one to make you blink out? I can't see like this guy. Never will there ever be another like me. You can play the left cause it ain't no way of me. I'm the picture, I'm the frame, I'm the box, I got the wall. Smack them off the wall like I'm really in on this wall.
Check it in. Big Small. Ladies and gentlemen, I go on and on and on. Take them to the crib and left it moaning. Easy, call them on the phone and platinum Chanel cologne. I stay dressed to impress. Stalk these bitches' interest. Sex is all I expect as they watch TV in the Lex. They know, 4:15. Left the club chasing, say no.